Hello guys, hope you all will be best. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And today's video we are going to share with you people how to make $100 a day online in 2022. Are you stuck at a 9 to 5 job that you are not very fond of? Or better said, you downright hate it and hate wasting your time? Are you looking for a new, easy, better way to make $100 a day? Then why not do it online? I mean, the internet is the foremost uh, money-making machine of 21st century. In this video, I will introduce you to easy to master ways to make money online, some of which definitely won't take you 8 hours a day. So, let's take a look at what I have in mind. Shall we make $100 a day? Let's start. Number 1, paid service. Another straightforward online side hustle for you to make easy money is doing paid service. Did you know that there are lots of sites out there that offers you to take service and then pay you for them? Granted, it is not the most profitable venture, but it is worth giving it a shoot sense. It is so easy and valuable. If you are worried about the legitimacy of this kind of income, don't be. Paid service are perfectly legitimate and they are used by thousands of businesses out there. Companies need opinion from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services, as well as to create new ones. And the internet allows them to reach people who can provide them with reliable data, people they otherwise won't have the chance to reach. Yes, that's where you come in. A paid survey is basically giving your opinion on a service or product and getting paid for it. All you have to do is sign up for free on a paid online survey site and start earning money. But be wary of scam sites that ask you to pay in order to use their service. So the second one is freelance writing. If you have solid writing skills and can quickly get the hang of all kinds of different topics in a short amount of time, then you should definitely try freelance writing. Depending on the work, the number of words, and the client's budget, you can make less and more than $100 a day. Some word count requirements are less than 500 words, and most of them are usually between 1200 to 2000 words. Nowadays, there are plenty of websites you can search for freelance work. All you need to do is sign up and list your skills and expertise. Some of the sites may ask for an existing portfolio. There are some of the best freelance market website right now. For example, work of contently, we work remotely, freelancer, Fiverr. These are examples. Number three, write sponsor post. Sponsor posts are pretty self-explanatory. Basically, companies and businesses pay you to write good stuff about them, their services, and or their products on your site or blog. What you need to do is talk about a product or a brand you like, tell your readers how you use it, and inform them how they can benefit from it as well. Now, how much you earn depends again on several factors: the niche you are in, how often you write sponsor post and face you etc. Number 4 is coaching and consultation. Provided that you are an expert in a particular field, coaching is a great way to earn money online. This is usually works really well if you first put some efforts into building your brand online through your website. Once people begin to trust you and realize that you have expertise and integrity, they will start to approach you on their own. They will ask you how you got to where you are now, how they can apply the same idea and methods to their own businesses ideas are well established companies. At first you may be attempt to give free advice, but as more people approach you, you will feel the urge to start charging up your consultation. Again, the amount of money you will earn from your consultation will depend on the niche you are in. Business coaches make a pretty good amount of money, somewhere around $235 per hour, and executive coaches make even more, $325 per hour. Other types of coaches like life coaches also make good money but less than the one mentioned above, like $160 an hour. Number 5. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. This is a pretty easy way to make money online. For this to work, you have to a certain amount of expertise in a field. So you know what you are talking about and why you are actually writing the ebook, but you can also write something shorter like an online guide or a tutorial. If you are in the nutrition niche, you can create meal plans, or if you are in the sport niche, you can create an exercise routine. Nowadays, ebooks are really easy to promote and disseminate. You can put your on your website for sale, but you can also sell it through Amazon and, of course, promote it on social media platform. Additionally, you can make a type of digital subscription in which you will serialize your expertise or knowledge, share step by step guides, and churn out fresh and up to date content for your subscriber. Number 6. Google AdSense. You will need a website, but you can make $100 a day. Google AdSense is a digital advertising program designed by Google for blogger, website owner, and YouTuber to use and make money from the ads advertised on Google. It is fairly simple strategy to earn income online. You will have to sign up with the program and then Google will give you a code known as an AdSense code that you then need to copy and paste onto your website, and that's it. From the onward, Google does most of the work and you get money every time someone either clicks on your ad. Now, of course, the success of your AdSense program depends on your niche. Typically, ads that you have to do with financial advising and insurance, as well as online education, will bring you money faster than niches like electronics, fashion, retail, food, fitness, and health. You can join Google AdSense for free. Also, their eligibility criteria are pretty loose, so even if you have a brand new blog or site, you will still be able to join. What's more, they offer different type of ads, video, images, and animated images, rich media, and text. If you have several websites, you can run the ad from one AdSense account. If you want to use AdSense on YouTube videos, you will need to have a minimum 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Last but not least, whatever you don't cheat and click on your own ads. Another way is to make money online. Create online courses. This is number 7 in last point. Offering online courses is similar to coaching, which means you need to have a deeper understanding of certain topics or a set of skills. With the requirements of social distancing and overall anxiety, the pandemic has set off online courses have become a way of for people to keep learning and stay connected, which means your expertise is likely to be much more appreciated nowadays. There are plenty of websites out there that will help you set your own online course. Some of these best are given here. Udemy, arguably the most well-known site for online courses. Udemy gives you a vast space in which you can show your talent and expertise. Second is Teachable. This is a site that allow you to create your very own online course and offer coaching services. Teachable even offers you a free webinar so you can learn how to get started. Skillshares. Skillshare is another great site that offer lots of categories to people who want to teach online and eager students alike. So these were the ways through which you can make $100 a day. Thanks for watching the video.